Okay, so in the first part of this lesson, you're going to figure out the true cost of renting a place to live. And so I don't know if you've ever considered how much it costs to live in a place, um, but it's not as cheap as you think it is. And then would you rent? Would you buy? Um, there's lots of things to consider when you are thinking about getting your own home away from your families. So, what I'd like you to do is, I'd like you to watch this short video. And in the video, it talks about the costs of living away from your family or living on your own. And then I'd like you to answer these questions for me. There's three factors that you should consider when looking for a place. So I want you to name all three. And then I want to know what the 30% rule is. I want to know what expenses should you plan on paying if you live in a place on your own. And then what options could you put in place to reduce your monthly payment? Okay, so I want you to go ahead and do that for this lesson.